The IPL is back, and so are these awesome ads from companies that are funded by venture capital firms. Two ads stood out for me as an investment manager. Mutual Fund Sahi Hai campaign where Sachin Tendulkar asks his driver to speak to an expert before investing. And then there was an ad from a company that was into or that is into trading of cryptocurrencies where the message is invest in crypto, get rich quick, and quit your job. Very misleading one. If not anything else, these messages or ads clearly point out to one simple thing: the maturity of the asset and the industry. So I thought a lot has already been spoken about mutual funds. Why don't I speak in brief about cryptocurrency in this video? I'm also happy to inform you that I'm going live talking on this topic of should you invest in cryptocurrency in 2021 on 30th September. The link is in the description and also in the comment section. Please do join me live. Let's understand some basics. What is cryptocurrency? It is essentially a medium of exchange, just like INR or USD or Euro. Just that it is digital and they use encryption techniques to control the creation of these monetary units. As simple as that. And among other things, blockchain is the technology that enables the very existence of this cryptocurrency. And I'm sure everybody around here would have heard of a cryptocurrency called Bitcoin. It's the most famous cryptocurrency and one of the reasons why blockchain itself was invented. According to me, there are three major benefits of cryptocurrency. In any regular business dealing or any kind of a transaction, you have to do a lot of paperwork. There is a broker, there is a dealer, there is a legal expert. Cryptocurrency essentially tries to cut out the middleman. And the other big advantage is that because it's peer-to-peer, you can have terms and conditions to each case. It can be very unique. You don't have to make a general statement. Now, try doing a transaction and you will see a lot of fees, commissions, brokerages, and that burns you. And then it forms a significant part of the asset. Here, because the data miners are paid by the cryptocurrency in the network itself, there may not really be any kind of a transaction fees. Saves a lot of money for you. And third is international transaction. Disclaimer, I know it's still not a legal tender, but because it's peer-to-peer, there may not be any currency risk, any interest rate risk. You save a lot of cost on the transaction fees. And doesn't matter which country the person is from, you can always transact. Saves a lot of complications and paperwork. How do you evaluate a cryptocurrency? Try and read the white paper first. White paper essentially captures the reason why the cryptocurrency was formed. What are the problems? Who are the founders? How did they try or how are they trying to solve the issue that they are facing? In 2008, Satoshi created the white paper for Bitcoin and that created this cryptocurrency revolution. So please make sure you read these lines very deeply and understand the primary purpose of this cryptocurrency that you're planning to invest. Second, evaluate the team and the management. Please make sure that the team that your cryptocurrency has built in is good. Do they have good investors? Are they backed by great founders? Do they have good vision that you share with? Or are they just trying to be run-of-the-mill, trying into the frenzy or making money out of the Bitcoin or cryptocurrency frenzy? Don't get caught in that. Try and understand why the token was created in the first place itself. Why was it created? What kind of problems were they trying to solve? For example, there have been Bitcoins or tokens that have been created only to solve the issues of advertising industry, influencer marketing. There have been tokens that have been created to solve the used car problems. I don't know what they will do with that, but if that is what you also want to do, maybe you should go and invest. If you're bullish about it, go and invest. And finally, the most important, are they evolving constantly? You don't want to die like Nokia. Are they creating or understanding new problems and creating a solution for it? Go, follow the social handles. try and see what they are doing so that you're updated and not get stuck with a currency that is not evolving, right? So I'm really not sure. I'm still evaluating whether I should invest my money, my investors' money in Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency. I'm not sure, to be honest. But if you believe that your vision matches, your thoughts matches with some currency, please go ahead. And if you have a long-term duration, please go ahead. If it is about 3 to 5% of your overall portfolio, it shouldn't really be a problem. But please make sure that you analyze this completely before investing. All the best.